But we're out here at Sainsbury's. But yes, so today we're going to be doing a £50 Sainsbury's outfit challenge. I'm going to go into Sainsbury's and see if I can actually buy a completed outfit with only £50. I'm not going to be buying shoes in this £50. I'm just going to use a pair of shoes that I've already got. And I'm not going to be buying socks and boxers. But at the end of the video, hopefully we'd have accomplished the £50 outfit challenge. And as well, we'll go through exactly what I've got and I'll show you it in a completed outfit. But you're going to be able to see what's going on and you're going to be able to hear me, so let's head inside. Almost forgot my mask, an essential nowadays, and I've lost my bag. Brilliant. We'll hide this under the seat so we don't get robbed. Probably a good idea. Why is there bare stuff under the seat? Right, we bowl. I don't know how I could forget my mask, it's an essential, but we're heading over into Sainsbury's now. If this video gets 80 likes, I'll do another one in another supermarket, and comment down below what supermarket you'd want to see. Okay, it's a Tesla. If you're wondering why I'm getting so gassed about a Tesla, go listen to Joe Rogan and Elon Musk's new podcast, It's the Nuts. They're literally talking all about the new Model S. It's going to be able to do like 0 to 60 in 1.5 seconds, which is quite crazy. Okay, it's like I'm at an airport. Going up one of these, I haven't been up one of these in time. God, who remembers airports and planes? I thought I heard a plane the other day, ended up being a helicopter. I was very disappointed. I wanted to see a plane. I can't remember the last time I even saw one. Who thought you'd get to the point where you don't remember seeing planes? But we're literally just heading upstairs into like the clothing section. This is like the biggest clothing section I've ever seen in a supermarket. It has its own dedicated floor. These are the nuts. I see some cargo trousers. I got very excited. It's almost like the man in the background knew how excited I was and was telling me to calm down. No way, no. Extra large. No way they got a small. No, this might have to be a cop. I think I got very attached to that Admiral polo as soon as I see it. I think the outfit would have turned out very different if I didn't see that polo. I also went back to go and secure them cargo trousers that I got so excited about, but you'll see them in their full glory in a minute. At this point, I was really stuck for what to do. I wanted to get something else. I wanted to get like a jumper or something like that, but I wasn't really sure what to get because the options were very limited. Serious? That's all the men's. As you can see, I was struggling pretty hard to find something, but then I found these gems. Get some Grandeur Crepes in. I wish I would have bought them in the end. I think they would have actually looked quite good with the completed outfit. So like an accessory or a belt. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling at this point. I'm literally looking for anything just to add to the outfit. A belt, a bag, literally any minor kind of accessory or just a little bit of outerwear. This is dry. Literally, as I said that, I see something out the corner of my eye that I quite like that I did end up actually picking up in the end and taking home with me. This is it. As you've just heard, I've made up my mind on the items that I'm gonna get, so let's head back down the airport stairs and head over to the checkouts that actually purchased the items. One man once told me anything's free if you can run fast enough, but we're not going to apply that logic today. Oh well. But this was the point that I realised the Admiral polo didn't actually have a tag anymore, so I had to call someone over. He did take a hot second though, because he had to go grab his glasses, but that's not the end of the world. He did it quite quick. But let's head out of the self-checkout area now. But before I leave, there is something else I forgot to go and pick up, and this porridge oats. If you haven't had these porridge oats and you're into porridge, you need to go try them. They are the best porridge oats in the game. Only Sainsbury's do them though. They are Sainsbury's own and they have to be the so organic ones, otherwise they're not the right ones. And I'll put you on to another amazing thing that Sainsbury's do. If you like the white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake cookies that Subway do, go grab yourself these from Sainsbury's. They have to be the Belgian ones though. They're literally the best cookies in the game. Go get yourself them. And as well, if you like cookies, they're more of a biscuit, but go get yourself the vegan ones that Co-op do. I know what you might be thinking, vegan? I don't want them. What have they even got in them? But trust me, they're so nice. But now we're out of Sainsbury's, let's head back to me inside and I'll show you exactly what I got and I'll show you it in the completed outfit. Now we're back from Sainsbury's, let's show you what I actually bought. And as well, when you go to Sainsbury's next, remember who put you onto those cookies and those oats. I'll show you each item individually first before I try it on and show you it as an outfit. But this is the first item we picked up, this Admiral polo. I thought this was really nice. And as well, designer from Sainsbury's. I know it's not like high-end designer, but it's still designer. And this was £16. I don't think that was too bad of a deal at all. And this was the jumper we picked up literally just a plain black one. I wanted something more like patterned or kind of had a design on it, but it was pretty dry in Sainsbury's that day. So this was pretty much the best jumper I could get, but this was only £10, which is quite good. Considering the quality of this jumper, it's actually quite a nice jumper. And then onto the grey cargo trousers. I thought these were really nice as well. Really nice colour. They are like a straight leg fit, which isn't great. I'd rather them fit slightly tighter. Don't get me wrong, I'm not looking for no super skinny fit, but maybe even if it was just a slim fit, that would be better. But these were £18, which was a little bit pricey considering they are just Sainsbury's ones. To be fair, they are quite good quality, so for £18, I don't think it was too bad considering normally cargo trousers are like 30, if not more in some cases as well. And the shoes we're going to be pairing them with are these high top Converses. These are so cool, I think. They're like a collab Converse did. I think these are pretty much sold out now. They were like somewhat limited edition, but they're a really nice colour. You can't even tell they're Converse as well. I really like all this like paint kind of design down it. I think it looks really cool. This is all embroidered as well, so they're really good quality. I'll put the name of the collab up on the screen as well because I haven't got a chance, but let's show you what it actually looked like in a completed outfit. And but boom, now we've got the whole outfit on. I think it looks quite cool, to be fair. I think it's a bit of like a summery kind of vibe in a way, but now you can kind of see the bottom half of the outfit. I think this looks really good. Like the grey and like the neutral kind of colour goes really well together, and as well the cargo trousers sit really nice on the shoes. I also paired it with a belt because not gonna lie, the cargo trousers are slightly too big. They were falling down just a little bit without it. And as well, I think the polo looks a lot better tucked in. I think this looks really sick though, considering it all came from Sainsbury's. It's not too shabby. As I was saying, I do think this is a bit more of a summery outfit, but say you get cold on a summer's night, you've now got the jumper to keep you warm as well. I can't get over how nice quality of a jumper this actually is. And as well, it fits pretty much perfectly. And as well, you're kind of a bit of a smart casual look now as well. But Sainsbury's outfit challenge, I would say it's accomplished. I think this come out really sick. I actually think I could wear this out somewhere if I actually had anywhere to go. But if you have enjoyed this video, please drop the video a like. It'd be so appreciated. And as well, as I said at the start of the video, if this video hits 80 likes, I'll do another one at a supermarket of your choice. So get commenting down below the supermarket you want to see next. The top comment with the most amount of likes will be the supermarket I will choose next. But as I said, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I think I accomplished the Sainsbury's outfit challenge. But if you did enjoy it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.